Hello guys, welcome to the WebApic channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how we can cancel subscription for our existing CTX Feed plugin. So without further ado, let's jump in and learn how we can do this. The first thing you need to do is go to webapic.com, then click on My Account and log in. Once you're here, scroll down and find the My Subscription tab. Click on it. Now you can see all the active subscriptions you have. Currently, I only have the one subscription. It is also set to auto-renew, which means at the end of the year, when my subscription is ending, it will automatically renew itself. If you don't want auto-renewal to be on, just click on this little toggle button and it will turn off auto-renewal. To cancel your subscription, all you need to do is click on this little cancel button. Once you have cancelled your subscription with us, you will no longer be able to download the plugin anymore. Also, at the same time, the existing plugin that you have, any updates that we make will not be available to you anymore. However, if you've only turned off auto renewal, then you'll still be receiving updates for the plugin until you have reached your next billing cycle. After you've reached the next billing cycle, if you don't renew your subscription, then your subscription will be cancelled. So there you go guys, this is how you can cancel an existing subscription with CTX Feed. If you are cancelling your subscription, we do regret to lose you as a customer. If you have any advice or questions or issues, you're welcome to reach out to us at support@webapic.com. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.